like, when I lift it up, it's fine. But as soon as it's put down, it just does that. Look, if you can see the difference. So it's like, it's something to do with this bit. I've tightened this, doesn't work. I've tightened these, doesn't work. So it's like, it's something like here, and I don't know where it is. Maybe I'm going to have to take this apart and see what happens. Because something is not right. It's not gripping properly. Because it shouldn't be able to do that. But then I'm thinking, is it down here? But, like, this is rock solid. Like, oh, I don't know what it is.